Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to comment on Figma designs step by step. Comments are a great way to share feedback, ask questions, and collaborate with your team directly inside a Figma file. Whether you're working with designers, developers, or clients, the comment feature makes communication quick and organized. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll show you the easiest way to use comments in Figma, so let's get started. First, I'll open my Figma design file. Now, I'll press the C key on my keyboard to activate the comment tool. Next, I'll click anywhere on the design where I want to leave feedback. A comment box will appear. Here, I'll type my message. For example, please update this button color. Once I've finished typing my comment, I'll click the Post button to publish it. As you can see, the comment has now been added to the design. If I click on the comment again, I can read the message, reply to it, or review the feedback whenever I need. If the issue has been completed, I can also resolve the comment to keep the design clean and organized. Finally, I'll press ESC to exit comment mode and return to the normal design view. That's it. We've successfully learned how to comment on Figma designs. As you can see, adding comments is a simple and effective way to collaborate, share feedback, and communicate with your team without leaving Figma. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.